Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how to make chocolate milkshake. For this you'll require 2 tablespoons cocoa powder, sugar as per your taste, chocolate syrup and 450 ml milk. Firstly we're going to be taking the milk and then we're going to be putting our cocoa powder inside. You can put it according to your taste. So I like 2 tablespoons, so I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to be putting in the sugar. You can also put this according to your taste. I like it as 6 teaspoons, so I'm going to put it inside. Now we're going to be taking a chocolate syrup and putting it. Now it's time to blend it. So now we're done with the blending and you can see how beautiful the brown color has come out. So I'm just going to mix it a little bit more with my spoon to make sure everything is mixed properly. Perfect. Now we're going to be decorating the glasses using chocolate syrup. So we're going to drape the chocolate syrup on the edges of the glass like this. Now we're done decorating both of them, so it's time to pour our milkshake. So in it goes like this, nice, and like this, nice. So now we're going to be putting some chocolate syrup from top so it looks good. Like this. And now our chocolate milkshake is ready and we can enjoy it. Thanks for watching.